We're here for you guys that are like, Lonnie, where's the upload schedule? Working on it. We are gonna start getting back with the trade recaps and a little more education, but join the Discord. I'm still uploading the live daily calls every single day from the live trading group. So you guys can watch those for more education if you guys want. But anyways, let's get into weekly bias. Did I already say join the Discord? I said join the Discord. We got huge plans. Right. Everybody's locked in. You guys should be locked in too. But let's get into weekly bias. We are going to do gold and NAS. So gold and NAS weekly bias. Currently, we are up on gold 0.25% and NAS around 0.3. So let's see what price action is doing. As of right now, I already have my semi-bias on gold. I'm bullish of gold, and I will break down why. Let's go into clear chart. We'll go into Oanda chart, not my back testing chart. So I have a little bit of more back testing to do throughout the week. I was talking with the Discord for a bit. Wow, these are disgusting candles. But I was talking with the Discord and gave a new breakdown of my refined strategy of of making enhancements to my strategy for you guys that's seen the A to Z of how to create a profitable strategy. Like I said, it takes time, being able to go in and analyze. And right here, we validated this 4 hour for value up, came down, swept this 4 hour low. So let's get our bias. Let's start off on the weekly time frame. Obviously, it's going to be a short video. Typically, these aren't long, but just want to break down the weekly bias for the week. So anyways, overall, we are bullish. We did validate this weekly fair value gap last week beautifully. Finally, after 3 weeks, came down and swept that liquidity, making that move to the downside. We wanted to see that. We've been looking for that for literally since here, January. And finally, we came down, swept it, validated that weekly fair value gap, pushing back to the upside. So we are essentially bullish on the week. Came down, also swept these weekly lows. Now on daily, what is happening? Daily, we retrace for this massive daily order block right here. Bam, bam. Retrace that. The daily time frame came down, swept out these lows, creating that order block with that break structure to the downside. We came down, bam, retrace into it, validating it, pushing back up to the upside. Same thing happened this time. On Friday, what did we do? We invalidated the bearish daily fair value gap, showcasing extra daily bullish confluence to the upside. As of right now, let's scale down on 4 hour. How do we see 4 hour developing? Because this will help us get an understanding for, okay, what does price action have the potential to do? Right here, 4 hour Asian session came down, validated this 4 hour fair value gap. We're still pushing to the upside. What do we want to see to happen in order to have bullish confluence? That's correct, bullish confluence for New York session. We want to continue to see the push to the upside. I want to see the invalidation of this fair value gap. It may be asking for too much. Never mind, it's asking for too much, but I want to see that push start to form back to the upside. I'm looking for any possible hourly retracement tools. As of right now, we don't have any. This is how 4 hour looks here. Let's go on Black Bull. We may have a possible retracement down before the push back up, but we did just retrace into this 4 hour order block. So we need to see, okay, how does price action develop within this, whether that showcases bullish confluence or bearish confluence. We're going to wait till London in order to get the proper full understanding on bias in order to execute New York session. During New York session, now let's go on NAS, do a little bit of NAS. Why not? We'll do Pepperstone chart. Yeah. So anyways, on weekly, what do we have? Bullish as we have been for the past a lot of weeks. We've been bullish for a minute. Anyways, still pushing the upside. Really, the only retracement we could possibly see is this fair value gap right here, which we did already come down and retrace into. As of right now, how's weekly developing? We're still bullish. Overall weekly time frame, but daily, we're stalling a bit. Lonnie, what do you mean we're stalling a bit? We haven't made the breaker structure back to the upside after retracing into this weekly order block, daily order block. So what do I want to see? I want to see a retracement back down into this daily order block for a possible push to the upside. I don't know if we'll get that during London session or Asian session or even New York sweep lows and then create that push back to the upside. Who knows? We could see that. Maybe scaling down on 4 hour. Let's see how it's developing. 4 hour on Friday, we had a bearish close with the retracement into this 4 hour fair value gap, filling more orders with the push to the downside. We would want to see 4 hour and or hourly validate this fair value gap, creating or starting at least the push back to the upside, also validating this 4 hour order block if we could. see that push back to the upside, aka also hourly breaking structure back to the upside. Bam, we would have proper confluence. That would be a significant move, but I'm thinking it's Martin Luther King Day tomorrow. Anyways, I guess it's still weekly bias, so even better. That's why price action is moving so janky. I'm like, are we up 0.3? And then, but if it wasn't Martin Luther King tomorrow, I would be more biased to waiting until Tuesday in order to go in and execute in order to get that full understanding. But nonetheless, this week, let's see what major high impact news we have. For you guys that don't use Forex Factory like this is how you do it. Bam, 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 bam. This week, wow, it's a pretty clean news week. Bank holiday at FOMC meeting minutes. That's later. That's at 2 p.m. What do we have? 15 minutes into, or 15 minutes prior to market open, we have an hour before market open. Okay, 15 minutes after market open, sorry. We have flash manufacturing. So we're going to see how price action reacts with that. Really, but that's later in the week. That's Thursday. So essentially not trading Monday, looking to see how price action develops into Tuesday. I'm still thinking bullish as of right now on NAS and gold. So hopefully we can see what price action does tomorrow. But apart from that, join the Discord if you're not in the Discord tomorrow. I'm not live trading with the Discord because there's nothing live trade about. But yeah, still going to be on the chart, still going to be able to back test and do all that nitty gritty stuff. I forgot it was Martin Luther King Day, but you guys shouldn't be trading tomorrow. Doesn't matter whether it's volatility or no volatility. It's President's Day. Should not be trading if the banks aren't trading. You shouldn't be trading. It's a bank holiday tomorrow. Check your banks. Anyways, apart from that, boys, that is everything. Huge plans coming with the Discord and community and YouTube channels. Hopefully, I'm looking what to see to continually upload and But apart from that, at minimum, I want to upload weekly recaps, daily recaps, and maybe the classes we have from the Discord. I mean, depends. But apart from that, whatever ideas come to mind. But apart from that, I love you guys. I will see you in the next video when we post, hopefully sometime this week. Stay tuned. Don't unsubscribe because we have 1,000 subscribers. If we go below that, we'll be at 999. But apart from that, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.